Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial where we can learn an application of Power BI. So we will create a report using this financial dataset. So here is the dataset. Now open Power BI and import the data. We will select the data and import it. Now choose sheet 1 and press load. We will use transform function when the data is not clean, but here the data is already clean, so we are using load function. We can see all the column headings from the data section of Power BI. Remember the name of the columns you want to create a chart of. Here, for instance, segment and sales in a pie chart. Now we are creating a bar graph. We have sum of sales by product in a bar graph. Now we have sum of units sold by segment in a bar graph. And last but not the least, we have total sum of sales in a country profit map. We can click on any parameter and view its result by every chart. For more such analytical content, follow DataLogix.